much about history. Don't know much of biology. I don't know much about a science book. Don't know much about the French I took.
Hi, everybody. This is Todd Conklin. It's the Pre-Accident Investigation Safety Moment, Operational Excellence Moment. So, on the news lately, there's been a tremendous amount of news about terrorism, terrorist activities, attacks, all those things, and they're all horrific. And it's changing the world. But from a systems view, I look at these and think, there's something really important that we need to say early. And that is, everything is obvious once it happens. Now, the problem with that notion is that before it happens, that same clear indicator that bad problems are afoot is not a clear indicator. The retrospective bias that we take into understanding these events, actually, I would suggest as safety professionals and as people who do high-risk work all over the world, probably isn't very helpful because everything is obvious once it's happened. What we want to look for is how we build systems that identify those weak signals, those small indicators, and listens carefully to how actual successful work is done. So we want to be aware of our systems, of our processes, of our procedures, of our work, of our communities, and of our societies when bad things aren't happening, so that we're more aware of the potential for bad things to happen. But looking backwards at an event and wishing the outcome were different is really a gigantic waste of time, energy, effort, and money. What we want to do is learn from our current events in order to be better prepared and have more capacity for events like that in the future, because everything's obvious once it's happened. Think this over. It's a pretty rough comment, and it's a pretty rough safety moment, but these are pretty rough times, and there's lots going on. So if you're listening to my voice and thinking about the operations you manage, whatever you do, from airports to mines to farms to science laboratories, think about the fact that spending time wishing the outcome were different really lays you into that retrospective bias, and it sort of is not very valuable. In fact, it's kind of stupid because everything is obvious once it's happened. That's your safety moment. Have some fun today. Take care of yourself. Learn something new, please, and for goodness sakes, be safe.